Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple homemade serum. This serum will help to stop premature aging. It will help your body to produce collagen, which will help in fading black spots and for anti-aging. So stay tuned and find out how I make this homemade serum. For this video, I'm going to show you how to make vitamin C toner. So I'm going to use orange. I'll make sure that I wash the orange to avoid contaminating the toner. When I'm done washing the orange, I'll peel to get the orange peel. You can use peeler or grater to peel to get the orange peel. When I'm done peeling the orange peel, I'll add about 1 cup of water into the pot, allow it to boil. When it's boiled, I'll add the orange peel and allow it to boil for about 3 minutes, then turn off the heat. Allow to cool before straining to get the liquid. When the liquid has cooled down, strain to get the liquid. And you can also store in container and use for about 7 days. But if you want it to last longer, you can freeze it. This orange peel water is so good because it has antibacterial properties. It is very good for treating acne and oily skin. And vitamin C in the orange peel will give you a clear and brighter skin. To make the vitamin C serum, you will need orange peels. You need to dry it. When the orange peels are dried, you blend it into a fine powder. When I'm done blending, I'll be making use of a sieve because I'm going to strain to get the orange powder. When I'm done sieving the orange peels, I only got 1 tablespoon of the orange powder. So to make the serum, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of the orange powder. I'll be making use of 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is very good because you help to moisturize your skin, fight skin aging, lighten blemishes, and soothe sunburn. Making use of teaspoon of glycerin. Glycerin will help to increase your skin hydration, relieve dryness, soften your skin, and allow your skin to retain moisture. I'll be making use of 5 vitamin E capsule. You can use half teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil will add glow and make your skin smooth. It will moisturize and nourish your skin. When I'm done adding the vitamin E oil, I'll be making use of half tablespoon of orange peel water. You can make use of rose water. Then I'll stir to mix very well. As we all know, orange contains a lot of nutrients, especially vitamin C, and our body cannot produce vitamin C, so that's why we need to eat healthy, or you can apply it on your skin to get the vitamin C. Store the serum in a clean container. For effective results, apply at the night after washing your face. You can apply this on your face and neck and leave it overnight, or you can choose to leave it for about 30 minutes, then rinse and wash your face. I hope you can see how easy it is to make this vitamin C serum. This serum is so good because it will help to fade any black spots and is great for anti-aging. And I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.